Hi everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss tautology and contradiction and logical equivalence. Okay, the very first thing is tautology. What is tautology? A compound preposition is said to be a tautology if it is always true for all possible combinations of truth values of its components. Tautology is a compound preposition is said to be a tautology if it is always true for all possible combinations of truth values of its components. For example, you look at this table. Here we have P, negation P, P or negation P. True, false, false, true. Here the possible combinations of truth values of components are true, false, one possible component. Another one is false, true. Here for all possible combinations of truth values of its components, P and negation P are components of the compound preposition P or negation Q. For all possible values of truth values of its components, we have the truth values true, true. Therefore, it is a tautology. A compound preposition is said to be a tautology if it is always true for all possible combinations of truth values of its components. Okay, then what is contradiction? A compound preposition is said to be a contradiction if it is always false for all possible combinations of truth values of its components. For example, P, negation P, P and negation P. This is a truth table. P and negation P is a compound preposition. P and negation P are its components. The truth values, possible truth values are true, false, false, true. For all possible truth values of its components, the compound preposition is false. Therefore, this is called contradiction. Okay. For example, for any preposition P and Q, P or negation P is tautology. First write. Here we have P. Write P column. Negation P column. Compound preposition P or negation P. P or negation P. P. True, false. Negation P. If P is true, negation P is false. If P is false, negation P is true. P or negation P or table or true, false, true. False, true, true. In case of or disjunction, false, false, false. In the remaining cases, it is true. This is true. Therefore, this is called a tautology. Next example. For any preposition P and Q, P and negation Q is a contradiction. Write P column, negation P column and P and negation P. True, false, negation P. True, false, false, true. P and negation P. And table, conjunction. In case of conjunction, true, 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 otherwise false. Here we have true, false, 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 true, false. All the truth values are false. Therefore, this is a contradiction. For any preposition P, Q, R, P implies Q and Q implies R, whole bracket, implies or is a tautology. Here we have to show that this compound proposition is a tautology. So first write. Here we need P, Q, R. Here we need components or prepositions P, Q, R. And next we need P implies Q. This table, column. P implies Q. And Q implies R. Next column is Q implies R. P implies Q. This is Q implies R. This is next and P implies Q and Q implies R. This column. P implies Q and Q implies R. Next P implies R column. P implies R column. Last one, the whole compound proposition. P implies Q and Q implies R. Whole bracket implies P implies R. Okay. First I will tell you how to write P. P. First write true, 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 true. False, 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 false. This is P. Q. True, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. R. True, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. These are the possible combinations of truth values of the components P, Q, R. Next, P implies Q. We know that implication. True, false, false. Otherwise, true. P is true. Q is false. It is false. Otherwise, true. P implies Q. True, false. True, false. No. True, false. Yes. True, false is false. True, false, false. You write false. P implies Q column. Don't look at the orth column. Next, true, false, false. Next, false, true, false, true, false, 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 false. In the remaining cases, you write true, 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 true. This is P implies Q. Next column, Q implies R. Look at these two columns, Q and R. Implies true, false, false. True, 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 false, false. Next, false, true, false, false, true, 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 false, false. True, 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 true. Remaining cases you write true. Okay. Next column, P implies Q, this one, and Q implies R, this column. And you take and of these two columns and true, 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 otherwise false. In case of and or conjunction, true, 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 true. Next, no, false, true, 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 false, true, 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 true. Remaining cases you write false. Next one, P implies R. Look at this one and this one. True, 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 false, false. True, 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 false, false. False, true, false, 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 true, false, false. Remaining you write true. Next one, P implies Q and Q implies R. This column implies P implies R, this column. Implication between these two columns. True, 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 false, 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 true, false, false, true, true, false, true, 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 true. True, false, false, remaining true. Here we have true. Here this is a compound proposition. The compound proposition has all the truth values true. Therefore, it is a tautology. Logical equivalence. Any two propositions P and Q are said to be logically equivalent if and only if they have the same truth values. Logical equivalence. Any two propositions P and Q are said to be logically equivalent if and only if they have the same truth values. We denote P equivalent to Q and it is read as P is equivalent to Q. Two compound propositions M and N are said to be logically equivalent if and only if their truth values are identical for each combination of the truth values of its components. For example, look at this table. P implies Q, negation Q implies negation P. These two columns are identical, therefore they are equivalent. Logical equivalence means any two propositions P and Q are said to be logically equivalent if and only if they have the same truth values. If and only if they have the same truth values. Here P implies Q and negation Q implies negation P are identical because the truth values true, false, true, true. True, false, true, true. Truth values are same. For example, let M. Proposition M is negation Q implies negation P and N is P implies Q. Then M and N are logically equivalent. To show this, first write P, Q. P, Q. P implies Q column. Next we need negation P, negation Q, negation Q implies negation P. Okay, first write Pth column. True, true, false, false. Possible truth values are true, true, false, false. Q. True, false, true, false. P implies Q. Implication. Implication rule is true, false, true, false, false. Remaining true. True, true, true. Okay. Next column, negation P. T negation F. True negation false. False, true, false, true. Negation Q. This column. True, false, false, true. True, false, false, true. Negation Q implies negation P. First take this one. Negation Q implies negation P. False, false, true, false, false. False, true, true, true. Remaining true. Negation Q implies negation P. False, false, true. True, false, false, remaining true. Look at these two columns M and N. The truth values of the column M are true, false, true, true. Truth values of the column N are true, false, true, true. These two columns are identical, same. Therefore, M and N are logically equivalent. Some important results valid for all propositions P, Q and R. First one, P or P is equivalent to P. P and P is also equivalent to P. Next, P or Q is equivalent to Q or P. P and Q is equivalent to Q and P. Third one, P or Q or R is equivalent to P or Q or R. B, P and Q and R is equivalent to P and Q and R. Fourth one, P or Q and R is equivalent to P or Q and P or R. B, P and Q or R is equivalent to P and Q. R, P and R. Negation of negation P is equivalent to P. Sixth one, negation of P or Q is equivalent to negation P or becomes and negation Q. Negation of P and Q is equivalent to negation P and becomes R. Negation Q. Seventh one, negation of P implies Q is equivalent to P and negation Q. Eighth one, negation of P if and only if Q is equivalent to P and negation Q or Q and negation